Okay, it is now noon. I'm gonna try this again. Voila. Okay, whoa. Okay, so their path hasn't been completely covered. One of my neighbors has made their way out. Oh, Charlie, good boy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's it. He's not going any further. Okay. Well, there's at least yellow snow. That's good. And then there's Charlie playing. And there's Penelope. They actually like the snow. They just don't know what to do. I don't know what this maneuver is. I'm calling it his Snoopy maneuver. Good job, Charlie. Good job. Yes. And there's my little brave girl, Penelope. Okay, come on. Let's try to go to the yard again. Come on. Come on. I'm coming. Okay, go on in. Look. Go. Go, boy. Go. Go on. Go on. Okay. Well, let's see if he's going to get adventurous. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe not so much. Okay, that thing over there, on the left, the far left, that little hump thing sticking out, that would be my snowblower. It's not going to be much good to me right now. Those are my garbage cans. He's not having it. He's just not, well, they really can't really maneuver. I mean, it's not fair because the snow, well, I mean, you can see where Penny's standing. She's still probably a good foot off the ground. Yeah, they just can't maneuver in it. But yeah, there we have it. This is insane. So again, so that alcove looking thing, that's my bedroom window, and it's covering. Okay, so then you look right across from there. So again, that's the effects of the snow drifts. That's probably, I'm gonna call that about 4, well, maybe 4 feet. When I walk through, well, no, to the ground, it's probably, yeah, I don't know. What am I saying? 4 feet, 4.5 feet. All right, here are the pups. That's what we really care about, is the fun that they're having. And I can happily or safely say not much. Charlie, you having fun? Char, you having fun? No? Want to go inside? Want to go inside? Okay, wait a minute. I gotta get your leash. Okay, we're gonna try to do this without the face plant. Oh yeah, look, he knows this one. Yeah, no, gosh. Okay, I did not fall. Just for the record, I did not fall. All right, come on, Pen. Mission accomplished. And into the apartment we go. Go on, honey. Go on. It's warm in here. Okay.